In this video, I am going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. Here's how to get a free trial of Canva Pro. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Go to the Canva website. Go to the official Canva website. Step number 2. Click on Start Your Free Trial. There are a couple of ways to find the free trial option. Look for the button labeled Start Your Free Trial or Try Canva Pro for free on the home page. Click on Pricing and then select Try Canva for free. Step number 3. Sign up or login. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account using your email address or a Google account. If you already have a free Canva account, log in with your existing credentials. Step number 4. Enter your payment information. While it is technically optional, entering your payment information is required to verify your account and activate the free trial. Make sure to remember to cancel the subscription before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Step number 5. Start using Canva Pro. Once you have completed these steps, your free trial will be activated and you will have to access all the features of Canva Pro for 30 days. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Free trial limitations. While the free trial gives you access to most features, there might be a few limitations compared to the paid plans. Check the Canva website for details. Canceling your trial. If you don't want to be charged after the trial ends, be sure to cancel your subscription before the 30 days are up. You can cancel your subscription from your account settings. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.